Customize a business process in CRM for managers and admins. This is how you make Microsoft Dynamics CRM processes match the way that your organization actually works. This ebook is part of the Microsoft Training and Adoption Kit available on the CRM Help website. Hi, I'm Steve No. I'm an experienced software consultant the last 10 years using Microsoft Dynamics CRM, designing solutions, implementing them, and training CRM teams. We offer dynamic CRM consulting, development, and team mentoring and training. We also use our dynamic CRM training materials as a basis to develop customized end-user training materials and video based upon your processes and customizations. I hope you enjoy this material. Provide your sales or service reps with a well-defined process to take the guesswork out of their day-to-day activities. Microsoft Dynamics CRM includes ready-to-use business processes that you can customize to match how your organization works. Follow these steps to customize your own business process. First, what is a business process? Then we'll get into the basics of customizing a business process. We'll add a branch or branching to our process, make your business process available for use, and what your next steps are. So let's get started. See your next steps. No guesswork. You'll see the process bar at the top of the screen when you work on certain types of records. This is the process bar here. Records include leads or opportunities. The process bar shows you where a customer is in the process and the next steps that you need to take. You enter necessary information and mark completed steps in the process bar as you go. It's basically your roadmap for getting things done. If you'd like a short visual guide that introduces business processes, check out the ebook, Business Processes. It's found in the Dynamics CRM Training and Adoption Kit on the Microsoft CRM Help website. Adapt a process to match your business. There are several business processes available for common customer interactions with the stages and steps already mapped out for you. But what if you need to change a business process to make it match the way your organization does things? This guide shows you how. The basics of customizing a business process. The best way to learn how to customize a business process is to start with an example. So in this guide, we'll show you how to change the lead to opportunity sales process to add a stage to create a proposal for a lead. The lead to opportunity sales process is a ready-to-use process provided by CRM. It's a template that you can change to match how you do business or to create new ones from. So let's get started. To get to the list of processes, if you're running the latest version, then your screen looks like this, and you go to Settings and then Processes. In the older version, you go Microsoft Dynamics CRM, then Settings, then Processes. View the list of business processes. So once the screen is displayed, if you want to see a list of all the business processes installed on your system, click the down arrow and then select Business Process Flows from the resulting list. Next, select the business process to edit. We choose the business process in the list to look at and edit its stages and steps. So in our example, we've chosen the lead to opportunity sales process. Let's get to know the business process editor. You can edit details like the business process name and description, found here. Each box underneath is a stage in the business process. Each box is a stage in the business process. Choose the stage name to change the name. Each stage contains steps, as shown here. If your process needs to change under certain conditions, you can create a branch with different stages and then merge back into your main process by clicking Add Branch, as seen here. Or you can insert a stage by clicking here. No programming is required, so it's very straightforward. So let's go ahead and add a new stage to your process. In our example, we want to add a stage called Generate Proposal after the Develop stage. This new stage will include the steps for drafting a proposal to send to a lead who is almost ready to buy. So first we go down underneath the Develop stage and click the Insert Stage button. You'll be presented with a new box, and the first thing you want to do is name your stage. Here we'll type Generate Proposal. Next, what we want to do is base the new stage on an entity. So we want to select an entity or record type to base this stage on. We're basing this one on opportunity. So the entity that you select affects the fields available for the steps that you add shortly. Choose the field under Entity and then select the one that you want, in this case, Opportunity from the list, and click to select. Select a category for your new stage. A category lets you group stages by a type of action. In our example, we'll select Develop. Choose the field under Stage Category and select the one that fits best. Your stage category, the drop-down list, and select Develop. Add steps to your new stage. In the Step Name column, choose the field and type a descriptive name for the step. This will appear on the process bar. In the Value column, choose the field, then select the field to use for data entry. If applicable, select Required checkbox for any required field. So we'll select the value Develop Proposal. If you want to add more steps, you can choose the Add button below the last step. And you can add as many steps as you like, as you can see above. Here's the Required box. This means that this entry is required to complete the step. Now, let's add a branch. If you want a stage that appears only under certain conditions, you can add a branch to your business process. When you add a branch, you also set the condition for which it appears. So let's go ahead and create a branch in your process. In our example, we want to add an incubate stage that appears only when the purchase time frame for a lead is this year or unknown. So let's go ahead and add a branch for this after the qualify stage. We go underneath the qualify stage box and click Add Branch. Set the conditions for the branch. Now you set the conditions for when you want this branch to appear. So in the field drop-down, select Purchase Time Frame. The available fields are the steps in the preceding stage. In the Operator drop-down, select Equals. In the Type drop-down, select Value. And then from the Value list, click This Year and Unknown. When you're done setting the conditions for the stage, go ahead and select the green check mark in a circle. If you want to add another condition, you can select the Add button. Add a stage in the branch. So now we go underneath the line that we just created for the condition, and we insert a stage by clicking the plus sign here. And we edit the new stage. We use the same steps as before to edit the new stage. In this particular case, we have 3 steps. Add a stage after the branch. Now that you've created a branch, you need to add a stage for the 2 branches to merge back into to continue with the process. In our example, we'll add a stage called Research that both the Qualify and Incubate stages merge into. So first we go and choose Insert Stage After Branch. Edit that new stage. Use the same steps as before to edit the new stage. Name this stage Research, base it off the opportunity entity, categorize it as Research, and add steps to it. Define how the stages are related. Because the Research stage is based on the opportunity while the Qualify and Incubate stages are based on lead, you need to define how these stages are related. To do this, you choose Select Relationships. Set the relationships. First, we want to go ahead and select the previous stage. We want to select the entity the previous stage is based on, and then we want to select the relationship to this stage. In this particular case, we're going to choose None. And finally, we click OK. Need to delete a stage or a step? Select the stage here or the step here, and then click X to delete. Need to delete a condition? Hover over the condition you want to delete and choose the Delete button. If you have more than one expression in your branch, deleting all of them deletes the entire branch. Make your business process available for use. You're almost done. All you need to do now is save your business process and make it available for the new CRM records created by your sales or service reps. In this case, sales reps. First, save your work. When you have the stages and steps the way you want them, choose Save. Set which records use your process. If there's more than one business process for a record type, you'll need to set which process is automatically assigned to new records. On the command bar, choose Order Process Flow. In our example, there's only one business process for leads, so it will be assigned to new leads automatically. No action needed. If there was more than one and you wanted it assigned to new records automatically, you need to move the process to the top of the list. This makes it the default process. Activate the business process. You need to activate business processes before people can use them. So on the command bar, you simply click the Activate button. Now, when you create a new lead, this process will be assigned to it automatically, and the stages and steps will be ready to follow as you work with your customers. Now try it yourself. Now that you've gone through an example, you're ready to adapt your own business process to meet the needs of your organization. To help you get going quickly, there are a couple of great sources for business processes that you can start with. First of all, several ready-to-use processes for common business scenarios are available. To adapt one of these, first you'll need to add them to your system, similar to the way you add sample data. Or you can start from a business process solution that you download from Microsoft Pinpoint. You'll find a library of free templates by industry there. CRM Help and Training. The CRM Help and Training website has lots of great help content, including videos, ebooks, walkthroughs, customizable training, and much more. At BizIT Pro, we provide resources as well. Check out our website, our blog, our YouTube videos, see us on Twitter, or email me at steve@bizitpro.com if there's something I can help you with. I hope this is helpful, and I hope you have a great day.